top, pink polos, I hurt the ride before Cam got the shit to pop. The doors is closed. I felt like bad boy. You can do what you wanna do, how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Mariam C, and today's video is in collaboration with westkisshair. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring this video. They sent me over this beautiful unit. All details on this unit will be left in the description bar below, so feel free to check that out. But yes guys, I'm in love with this hair. It's super pretty, so gorgeous. I actually am going to be wearing this to Tulum, so stay tuned for pictures and, you know, different styles and things like that. But yes guys, without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so this unit comes pre-plucked, well, lightly pre-plucked, and I did go ahead and bleach the knots. Right now you see me cutting off the ear tabs, and can I just say this curl pattern is so gorgeous. This hair is super full, super just soft and fluffy and flowy. Like, this is one of the best deep wave units I've ever worn. I'm going ahead and just laying down my got-to-be, and I use about 3 to 4 layers. I did mention that I was going on vacay, so you know your girl had to stack up on the layers. And then I like to just go ahead and melt it in with an elastic band to get that really scalp-like illusion. So now I have this hot comb, and let me tell you, this hot comb is going to do wonders for your frontals, ladies. Make sure you have it on deck at all times. So if I have any pieces that are like not stuck or not glued all the way, I will just go in with a small dab of got-to-be and just fix it. And then what you see me doing is cutting my lace with a jagged motion. It creates a more natural hairline, and then going ahead and placing some got-to-be over the hairline so it's not leaving a white cast. Now we're going to go ahead and do our baby hairs. I like to go in a triangular motion. It just makes the baby hairs look more natural and gives that like just more softer illusion. And I want to leave the middle untouched, and then I'm going to pluck it just a little bit just so I can really get that natural effect. So the key is to leave your elastic band on for no less than 10 minutes. This will have your lace melted. Like, do not skip this step. Do not rush the process. Leave that band on for 10 minutes. So I'm going ahead and just cutting the baby hairs with my shears. And then I like to go in with my baby small, like a ½ inch curler, flat iron, and just curl the baby hairs away from my face. And this is gonna help create fluffy baby hairs and lay so much more flatter. So definitely recommend doing this step before laying your baby hairs. So I like to use the black got-to-be styling gel to lay down my baby hairs. This just pretty much makes sure that my baby hair is set in place, and because I am traveling, I didn't want to do like the mousse method where it's more off the skin and fluffy, more like the crisp type of look. I really wanted them defined. Just go ahead and just move it in a swoop motion, like a C motion. If you see me looking down, it's because I have like an inspiration, and I like to follow inspirations when doing my baby hairs. That way I can go for like an idea of what I want it to look like. So this is pretty much the finished look. I wanted to wear it in a big, fluffy and flowy state. I did like put mousse on it, and you guys can watch my vlog to see how this hair held up. But this hair is gorgeous. I'm in love. Thank you so much for Westkiss for sponsoring this video.